Hi, I'm Prospector Wayne. I've been prospecting for gold here in Arizona since 1982, from the mountains to the deserts. And like many other prospectors, I use a lot of buckets. And one thing we all have in common is once in a while we get two buckets that'll stick together and they're almost impossible to separate. I've been wrestling buckets for years, trying to separate buckets that seem to have glued themselves together. I have tried lots of crazy things to keep them from sticking together, but nothing seemed to fit my expectation for a good, dependable product that actually works. Then I had that aha moment. Bazinga! That's when I created the Bucket Spacer. A bucket spacer is a small and mighty custom-designed spacer crafted from ASA filament, a thermoplastic renowned for its excellent UV and weather resistance, perfect for outdoor applications. Just clean a small spot with ice rubbing alcohol or a little soap and water to a little small spot on the side of your bucket. Remove the red backing on the back side of the tape and stick it right on the outside of the bucket below where the handle attaches. It's easy, just clean, peel, and stick. Imagine never having to wrestle with stuck buckets again.